You said bell peppers and beef.
His name's Asimov Solensen. Are you listening to me?
There's no beef in here. So you wouldn't really call it bell peppers and beef, now would you?
Yes, I would.
Well, it's not!
It is when you're broke, alright.
Hey guys, today we'll make the beef and bell peppers from Cowboy Bebop. Unlike in the show, we do have the money to buy some beef, so we'll make the dish that Spike deserved. Don't forget to check out my socials, like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin with, we'll need a nice hunk of meat. I'm using ribeye. We'll find the direction in which the grains of meat are facing, and then we'll cut against the grain, like this. Then we'll need some bell peppers. I'm using green ones like in the show, but you can use a different color. I'll slice off the cheeks and then cut it into nice strips like this. We'll also need some mushrooms. Since in the show it looked like they used some, so I'll do it too. Now we're gonna get some white onions, remove the skin, and then cut it into half moons like this. We're gonna dice up some garlics very finely. You can also grate them. Get a knob of ginger, remove the skin, and dice it very finely as well. And with that, all the cutting work is done, and we can start marinating our meat. But before we do that, I want to tell you guys something about the sponsor of this video, tokyotreat. tokyotreat is a subscription service that sends you Japanese snack boxes right to your home. Every month, you get 15 to 20 Japanese snacks, from rare Kit Kat flavors like this hazelnut Kit Kat I got, to exclusive Japanese drinks like this mystery Fanta, which tasted very refreshing. You also get a variety of snacks like these chips and cakes. They choose snacks from different cities each month, with this month being the city of Akiba. They explain their choices and what each snack contains in this booklet. If you're interested in getting a box, use my link in the description below, as you'll be helping out the channel tremendously. And now, let's get back to the video. We can start marinating our meat. First, I'll add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Follow this up by half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of baking soda. The baking soda will help with making the meat very tender. That piece of meat will melt in your mouth. Aside from the meat marinade, we'll also need to make a sauce for the stir fry. I added 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce to a bowl, followed by a teaspoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, and then I would have added a tablespoon of MSG, but unfortunately I didn't have any left. Now we can start cooking. Start by getting a wok. Add some cooking oil to it, and then add your meat to the oil. Cook it until it becomes brown, like this. Once the meat is beautifully cooked, remove it and put it into a different plate. Now we'll use some of that oil to cook our mushrooms in it. Let the mushrooms get a beautiful color, like this. And then remove the mushrooms as well. Add the onions. Cook them until they are translucent like this. Once they are translucent, add the bell peppers and the ginger and garlic as well. Mix all the vegetables up and then add the mushrooms and meat back. And now slowly add the sauce we made. Add it little by little and continue tasting it. You don't want to add too much sauce, as that will overpower the taste of the dish. And that's it, the beef and bell peppers from Cowboy Bebop. We'll put it into a plate so that we can enjoy the dish. So yeah, I really love this dish. You can whip it up in about 20 minutes, and it really tastes amazing, especially if you pair it with some white rice or noodles. Don't forget to check out the sponsor of this video, grab yourself an amazing box, and I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a nice day.